Good morning, everyone. How are you? Today we are going to start a new unit, unit number 5 of your student book, page 50. It is about animals' home. In this unit, we will learn about where do different animals live. All the animals live in different homes, and in this unit, you will learn about the animals and their homes. Now I am going to show you a video, so you have to mute your mics and watch it carefully. After this video, I will ask you some question about the video. So please mute your mics and watch it carefully.
Page 50. Read. Animal homes.
Animals make their homes in many places. Where are some animal homes? High in a tree is a big eagle's nest. There, eagles keep their chicks safe.
Facts. Some eagles are white and brown. They eat rabbits, lizards, frogs, birds, and even small dogs.
An opossum lives inside a tree hollow. It lines it with leaves and grass. Inside, it stays safe and dry.
Facts. Opossums are gray or black. Mother opossums carry their babies on their back.
Honeybees make a hive for their home. They make honey in the hive. The bees have food all winter long.
Facts. Honeybees have 5 eyes. Honeybees can't see the color red.
Some crabs make their homes in old seashells. They find new seashells as they get big.
Facts. Crabs live underwater and on land. They have 10 legs.
An animal's home is the best place for it to live. Where is your home? How is your home right for you?